Imagine waking up every morning with better digestion, clearer skin, and feeling more refreshed, all because of one simple drink you had before bed. Most people don't know this, but turmeric water can do all this and more while you sleep. Doctors rarely talk about these benefits, but today, we're revealing 10 surprising ways turmeric water can transform your health overnight. Stay with us, and you'll see how this easy nighttime habit can change your life. And before we start, hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on more helpful health tips. Number 1. Improved digestion. Drinking turmeric water at night can significantly boost your digestion. The secret lies in curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which helps stimulate bile production in your liver. This process aids in breaking down fats and ensuring smooth digestion. Many people find that turmeric water relieves symptoms like bloating, indigestion, and even conditions such as IBS. A healthy digestive system can make a huge difference in your overall well-being, so why not let turmeric do the work while you sleep? Number 2. Enhanced sleep quality. Struggling with restless nights? Inflammation in your body can disturb your sleep patterns, making it difficult to get the rest you need. Turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to curcumin, can help calm your body, making it easier to fall into a restful sleep. Drinking turmeric water about an hour before bedtime allows the curcumin to take effect, helping you drift off more easily. Combine it with warm milk or honey for an extra soothing effect, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. Number 3. Weight management support. Turmeric water can be a great addition to your weight management routine. Curcumin has been shown to support fat metabolism, helping your body burn fat more effectively and prevent excess fat accumulation. Studies have even suggested that curcumin may reduce the growth of fat cells and lower body mass index (BMI). While turmeric water isn't a magic weight loss potion, adding it to a balanced diet and regular exercise can certainly help you reach your goals more efficiently. Number 4. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Turmeric's curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound that can help reduce inflammation in your body. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you can lower your chances of experiencing inflammation-related pain and discomfort. Many people with arthritis have reported relief from joint pain and improved mobility after incorporating turmeric into their routine. While turmeric alone isn't a cure, it can work as a valuable supplement to your treatment plan. Number 5. Healthier, glowing skin. Who doesn't want clear, radiant skin? Turmeric water can help you achieve just that. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties work to reduce acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. Curcumin also speeds up the healing process, reducing scarring and leaving your skin looking fresher. Drinking turmeric water regularly will help your skin glow from the inside out, and for an extra boost, you can apply turmeric topically as a face mask. Just remember, a little goes a long way, as turmeric can temporarily stain your skin. Number 6. Detoxifies the body. Your liver is responsible for detoxifying your body, and turmeric can help enhance this process. Curcumin increases the production of detoxifying enzymes in your liver, which helps flush out toxins and waste from your system. Drinking turmeric water at night can give your liver the extra support it needs to detoxify your body while you sleep. A healthy liver is key to improved energy levels, clearer skin, and overall vitality, so incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine is a small change that can have big results. Number 7. Boosts joint health. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory benefits also extend to joint health. If you're dealing with joint pain from arthritis or the wear and tear of daily life, turmeric water can offer some much-needed relief. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the joints, leading to less pain and greater mobility. Many individuals with joint discomfort have found that adding turmeric to their diet allows them to move more freely and enjoy activities they once avoided due to pain. Number 8. Strengthens the immune system. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and staying healthy, and turmeric can give your immune system a natural boost. Curcumin helps regulate the immune response, making your body more effective at defending against illnesses. Drinking turmeric water at night can strengthen your immune system as it works to repair and regenerate while you sleep. For an added immune boost, consider incorporating other nutrient-rich foods like citrus fruits and nuts into your diet. Number 9. Provides antioxidant power. Antioxidants are essential for fighting off free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and lead to chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Turmeric water is rich in antioxidants, with curcumin being a powerful one. By drinking turmeric water regularly, you help your body combat oxidative stress, protect cells from damage, and reduce the risk of chronic illnesses. This antioxidant boost can contribute to better long-term health and even slow the aging process. Number 10. Stress and anxiety relief. In our fast-paced lives, stress and anxiety are all too common. Fortunately, turmeric water can help ease both. Curcumin has been studied for its ability to increase levels of serotonin and dopamine, the neurotransmitters responsible for promoting feelings of happiness and relaxation. By incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine, you can create a calming ritual that helps you wind down and alleviate stress before bed. Pair it with relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation for even better results. How to make turmeric water. Making turmeric water is easy and can be done in 2 simple ways. Method 1. Fresh turmeric root. Take a 1-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, peel, and slice it thinly. Boil 2 cups of filtered water, add the turmeric slices, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy warm. Method 2. Turmeric powder. Boil 2 cups of filtered water, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and stir well. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Tips to enhance your turmeric water. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. Sweeten with honey or add a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Experiment with spices like cinnamon or ginger to add more health benefits and taste. Precautions. While turmeric water has numerous benefits, it's important to use it in moderation. Overconsumption can lead to digestive discomfort, and turmeric can stain clothing and surfaces. If you're pregnant, nursing, have gallbladder issues, or are on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before adding turmeric to your routine. As we wrap up, it's clear that turmeric water at night offers a wide range of health benefits, from improved digestion and enhanced sleep to glowing skin and reduced inflammation. By incorporating this simple and powerful remedy into your nightly routine, you'll be taking a step toward better health. If you found this information helpful, be sure to hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from turmeric water. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.